Alright, so we have this Imperial iron. As you can see, those are the specs, the model, wattage, voltage, everything. What happened? This iron is defective. You can see a lot of problem here. This fuse, if you look closely, right there, and also this wire here, this knob here is damaged, so I'm going to use this one that I have to replace that. Here has a break, which this supposed to be right here, so I'm going to crazy glue that. So basically I am going to repair this iron right here. Alright, so stay tuned for that. But before I go, I'm going to use a meter and check it step by step and show you what is defective and what is not defective. Alright, as you can see, the meter is right here. Putting the two leads together. Alright, meter is working, so I'm going to put one leg of the meter right here and the other leg right here. Nothing. Alright, this is telling me that the fuse is blown, and if I come here you get a reading, but if I come right here it's not. So the fuse is blown right here. So I'm going to show you the new fuse. Alright, this is the new fuse that will replace this one. Alright, so I'm going to check the element on the iron. Hold on, see that? That is okay. I'm going to get the thermostat now. Hold on, keep it there, turn it on, and you hear the meter. Turn it off, turn it on. So in this case is the thermal fuse is defective, so we're going to change that and replace the card or terminate it properly. Alright, I already put the connector on this, so I'm going to put the connector here through this. I do have the crimping tool, so I'm going to use the back of the pliers here, just like this, just like that, and then squeeze it, and just like that. See it? Snug nicely. So now I'm going to remove this end right here. I'll make the connection, next connection right here. Alright, so you can see the fuse replaced right here, and this is the defective one. Alright, so now I'm going to put one lead here, right at that far end, and this other lead right here. Hold on. Alright, you can see it's working, so the fuse is repaired. Right, we just remove this bad one and this bad one and replace that one. Alright, so now we are going to add the sleeve right here to kind of insulate this from the chassis of the iron, or the sole plate of the iron, to prevent any problem. Alright, so we're going to do that now, which I'm going to put it exactly back this direction because of this imprint here by this clamp here. So that is what I'm going to do. Alright, so you can see the fuse was put back and everything in the sleeve. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put on back this cover here. Alright, so I'm going to put it back by feeding these wires through this cutout here and place it down. And you have to ensure you have these spacers to go right here. Alright, make sure them in the right place. Alright, so I'm just going to do that and then let you see. Alright, so you can see this put back. Alright, so I'm going to put back the tank itself, the water tank itself through here. Alright, before we do that, we have to put on this plastic that I realize that I should put here first, just like that. Alright, we're not missing anything, which is good. Feed this through and place it down. Alright, so there we go. This is the back part, so I'm going to take the screw out of this foil paper. So I'm going to take one, screw it down. Alright, same thing for the other side. Just like that. Alright, so that is probably tightened down right there. So now I'm going to put on this section now and put it into this. Alright, it's working. Alright, so now we are going to screw down, finish put on the other screws. Just like that. Then we are going to take this little spring here. What it does, it goes up against these grooves up here to create that clicking sound. Right, this is very important. So install it here, just like that. So I'm going to add this. Now put it down here, just like that. Alright, I don't need to add that as yet. Alright, so this black piece, remember I tell you about this need to be crazy glue. I went ahead and crazy glue it so that it have enough time to dry. See it? Alright, so I'm going to put that over. Alright, so the screw that I screwed on here, I have to remove them because these have to screw down, right? So my bad. So now I'm going to install the black piece now. Alright, just like that. Just like that. This screw will be going right here. Alright, just like that. Another screw must go right here. Alright. This one should come right here, but this cover need to be go on. Alright, so not gonna put that on as yet. So the screws that are supposed to be here, I'm going to screw them now. like that. Hold on. Alright, so all screws are put back together. Alright, so put that aside. Now we have this piece to deal with. Now remember, this is not good. Alright, not good. So this will be replaced. Alright, so I'm going to show you it's the same size. See it? Alright, it fits, and this fits. Alright, so this will be the new replacement. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut the wire, feed this through. Alright, hold on. Feed it through and carry this now right here. Alright, center that. Hold on. Alright, so it was put down. What was preventing this from going down? The screw that I put here before, I had to remove that as well. Alright, and put back it. Alright, so this one will be going right here. You see, because I'm not the one that dismantled this iron, so that's why. Alright, that goes right there. This now, it has a little notch right here. It's supposed to go into this little groove here, just like that. This side is finished. So what we're going to do now, we're going to install the knob for this iron, just like that. Same thing for this side. This one kind of, alright, yep, finish. So now we're going to terminate this wire. Terminate it properly. Alright, hold on, I'm going to terminate it and let you see. Alright, so you can see the wires are stripped. So we are going to test the wire, right? So I'm going to show you that the wire is working. So I'll clip it one end there. Alright, we're getting reading there. Check the other one. Nothing, which is good. Come here. Come back right same place I put it before. Nothing, which is good. Come here now, which is good. Alright, so I'm going to connect this up now. Tape it up, because I don't have any more of these. Right, that this one is damaged. The metal piece comes out. Alright, so I'm gonna connect it and tape it up and test it. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to try and find the neutral leg first, which is, this is the neutral side because of the size of this pin here. Come right here. This is a neutral leg. So this leg now will connect on this blue leg right here. Alright? Alright, so you can see everything is connected. Alright? So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put on this cover now. Alright? Just like that. Alright? And I'm going to use these type of screws, which you can see. I don't have this type of screw, so what I'm going to do is use a flathead and put it in the groove like that, and then screw it in. Alright, just like that. So I'm doing it for all three. 3 of them. Alright, put this one in just like that. Alright, so now we're going to put on the knob. Remember, this thing right here is supposed to rest this side to create this effect sound, right? And this groove right here is going to fit between this. So I'm going to line it up properly, as you can see, and then see here that clicking sound, that is what I'm talking about. Alright, so we're going to connect the meter lead on the meter here, and we're going to turn the knob. Alright, so it's working. So now I'm going to plug it in and use a temperature thermometer, and then show you that it is heating up. Alright, so it's plugged in. I don't turn it on as yet, so I'm going to turn it on now. Hold on, I'll show you the temperature. Basically, I'm in an AC room, so on the same temperature that is here displaying on the AC unit. So now I'm going to turn it on. So the indication light is there. Alright, and we are going to use this. Alright, so the temperature is going up. So this was a successful repair, and if you like this video, please let me know in the comment section down below, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Alright.